Uther wanted me dead. If he'd found me, he'd have killed me. And your mother.
People like us, we have a gift. Do you not think it should be used to make this a better world?
This isn't like me too.
You ever imagined a new world?
Perhaps.
Perhaps he has lost his nerve. Perhaps he is a coward.
I will not help.
Well, there's no point.
Take no prisoners. It's time we rid ourselves of these druids once and for all.
Arthur and his men are coming.
I won't let you do this!
Please, no, please. Be strong. Listen to me. Oh, my son. I've seen enough in you to know that you will make me prove.
I know that the gods will look after me and that one day I will see you again.
I am truly sorry. I can only imagine how it must feel to discover your father is responsible for her death. It is an unforgivable betrayal. The decisions you make now will change the shape of everything that is to come. Are you prepared to help me bring about his downfall?
Yes, I would do whatever it took.
Arthur Pendragon, a great destiny awaits you. The battle for your soul is about to begin.
Do not be afraid. We know your quest. But you must be wary, Emrys. The legends tell a tale that only the Druids know.
We need you.
I'm going to be at your side, like I always am. Protecting you.
Only when the way ahead seems impossible